one is booting from the installation media, whether that's a DVD, an ISO image, or a USB stick. We go through the installation process. You accept the license agreement. Once that's done, the next step would be targeting the data store or the target disk where we're going to do the base install. Then we go through the rest of the installation process after answering a few generic questions. So this part really is very low maintenance, probably talking about 15-20 minutes if you know the personality that you're going to want to run on the new host. Next step is, after the reboot of the system, we're going to log in with the password you've created and give this system a IP personality, where 90% of the management is done through a browser interface, whether that be Edge, Chrome, or Firefox. So once we've given it that personality, next slide, most of the environment is managed through that web interface. Once you connect to that web interface, next slide, we go through selecting the CPU that we're going to emulate. And once that's done, we create the rest of the environment, the number of network cards, the number of disk drives, or any other specialty components that we need in the environment.